Dave22Deuce, yeah, it's a hurricane, yeah, it's a hurricane, okay, it's a hurricane, Fiona, I wanna remember one. Do you remember Hurricane 1? I remember, September, yeah, 2003. I was like 14 years old. It was tree after tree knocking down in my hood at the back of my hut, yeah, in the hood, and a girl, we was on the street, rolling up our sleeves, pulling our coats over our head, jumping leaves, we was getting leaping up, and it was like a moonwalk going in the air, felt like we was floating and flying, that's for real, it was cool, bro, but now I'm an adult and older, and now this shit is getting on my nerves, cause I got kids and I'm worried about the shit that they be in, cause I don't know, this is supposed to be worse than that. Hurricane Fiona, you wanna come in better, but if you're as bad as Fiona Apple, then I'm sure this gon' be a catastrophe, man. Catastrophe, man. Oh, this muscular dystrophy, missing me, man. You missing me when I'm taking a break. I get it on for the sake, cause I know when I make the window ticket, make a window, bitches shake the button and it take no ticket, but man, you wanna take it up. Wanna take it up with Deuce, I never wake it up, I make it up, I came away with you and never stake it up, I stake them in the stakes have never been higher, but I ain't never given up love, but the fool, I fuel in the fire, but you in the mire, and I ain't never been overdoing the fire flattered the tire flattered the I Saturday, the Saturday in the choir, we singing wire, the loud and loud, what you motherfucking bitches on the couch, so then try not to swear, but lately you gotta swear, job, put $20 in that bitch till I care, and then I'll be rich, and that ain't no joke, but I need to find that money, bro, can you better lend me your 20, spot me your 20 so I can throw it in that bucket, every time I say fuck it, that is $60, bro, and it's all adding up, I got a college on them, they got, who the fuck is on it, got a collage, and must wanna fucking video, got a fucking videos, the slut turn it down, when it break it down, for now round, gotta record some shit before this let power go down for like 9 days, like back in the day, 20 years ago when we was in that Hurricane 1, and zip it on it, I hope the infrastructure's been built, hoping it's on, and that with that in mind, cause that was wild, cause, and I know it's pretty cool for the kids, but you know, as a parent, it's frightening, it's terrifying, man, I ain't lightning, lying in the logic, I didn't never fuck that, lodging when the closet goes in with the closet, bat, hurricane closet.